In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Microsoft Copilot app. If you want to use Microsoft Copilot in a language that feels more comfortable for you, the process is very quick and simple on the desktop app. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Microsoft Copilot app on your desktop. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, so all the menu options are available and easy to access. If you're signed in already, you should be taken straight to the main Copilot screen. Once the app is open, look down to the bottom left corner of the window and click on your profile. This is where Microsoft Copilot keeps account-related options and app preferences. If you don't notice it right away, just take a second to scan the lower left area carefully, since that's where the profile section is typically located. After that, click on Settings. This will open the area where you can customize how the app works and looks. Settings is where you'll find options related to your app experience, including the language controls we need for this tutorial. Now, inside Settings, look for the Language section. Once you find it, click the drop-down arrow. This arrow opens the list of available languages you can choose from. Depending on your version of the app, the list may appear immediately in a small menu or expand into a larger selection panel. From there, select your preferred language. As soon as you click the language you want, the app may update right away, or it may take a moment to apply the change. In some cases, you might need to wait briefly for the interface to refresh so the new language appears throughout the app. That's all it takes to change the language on the Microsoft Copilot app. If you're switching languages for better accessibility, learning, or just personal preference, this setting can make the app much easier and more comfortable to use. As a quick tip, after changing the language, stop and take a look around the app to confirm that menus and labels are displaying correctly. If something doesn't seem to update immediately, simply give the app a moment and check the settings again. Following these steps will help you quickly set Microsoft Copilot to the language that works best for you.